Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make digital products to sell. Alright, so digital products themselves are intangible non-physical goods such as ebooks, templates, courses, and software that are created once and sold online repeatedly, often delivered instantly via downloads. These high demand, low cost items eliminate shipping and inventory costs, as well as offering high potential and automated passive income streams for creators. So basically, digital products are anything you can sell with a low cost to that you can easily put on platforms and make some money off of it. All right, guys. So with that out of the way, how do you go about making a digital product? Making a digital product doesn't take much. It doesn't take much skill. You just simply need a template you can keep on reusing so you can keep on making money off of it. And the best place to get templates would be where we started at Canva. So digital product comes in different formats. We have ebooks, online courses, workshops, and most importantly, Canva templates. So we could do this with a Notion, a simple Notion planner or a resume template. But I believe one thing that really sells besides planners and resumes would be art, wallpapers, screensavers, things to get people up and doing. So let's say I wanted to, customize something like this. All I need to do is just go ahead and click on customize this template. It's going to go ahead and open this in a new tab. Now, all I need to do is just go ahead and change the text or maybe change the background. Let's say I want to make the background red or something like orange or even deep blue. I could also make this deep blue as well, so it has this unique finish and it looks good. You could post this on any platform and simply get sales. Now you may be wondering, where would you actually get your sales from, as most of the time people don't know where to sell their things and they don't know how to sell their things. That's where platforms like Gumroad, Shopify, and Etsy come in. So with Gumroad, it's an easy process. Just enter your email, password, create account, or login. The sign up and the login are the same. So all you need to do is just simply enter your details and you've logged in. Now, the most important thing after designing your work is to either attach your credits here. That would be unique identifiers for your digital products, be it a short name, your nickname, or an artist touch or an artistic touch. Just click on share once you're done. Click on download. Where we have PNG, you could download this as a PNG or PDF if it's going to be printed out. You could just simply leave it as a PNG if it's going to be made into wall art. Now just go ahead and click on download. And once the download is completed, you have this on your computer. You can now go about, you know, promoting this on websites like Gumroad. I chose Gumroad because it's easy to navigate and easy to use. So I'm going to sign into Gumroad and show you what comes up next. All right, so once you're on Gumroad, once you've signed into Gumroad, the home section is basically your onboarding, where you simply, make your Gumroad account, customize your profile a bit, and then create your first product. Now, what we are here for is making and selling. So I've showed you how to make, I'm going to show you how to sell your product. Now, selling a product is quite easy. We are going with Gumroad, just heading to the products menu where we have wall art, and I have some other products here, but these are not you know important. These are unfinished products. So in order to create your product, that is to take your product you created from Canva and move it over to Gumroad, all you need to do is click on new product here, select digital product, give it a name. Let's call it wall art. And now we've created wall art the second, and we can enter a simple price. So let's say about $4 for an art piece, and now click on customize. Now in the description, you can just simply tell them exactly what they'll be getting. You could also make sure your URL matches with any social media platforms you run, or if you own a website that is separate from Gumroad, you could also attach that link here. Or if you have a nickname that you go by, or you have a social media presence behind a name, you could just simply enter that name here to stand out from the rest of your competition. Now you could upload your cover image and your thumbnail. So, thumbnails are going to be in 600 by 600. You can also design this on Canva if you do not have a thumbnail. Now you could also change your call to action to buy this and get one free. You could attach that to your video, get one free. You could attach that to your product, and that way you can actually make sales and people would be interested in what you have. Now, the most important part is, the content itself. So you could simply write a few things about the content and then proceed to upload the file. Like how you're not selling, a complete wall art, you're just selling the wall art content itself. And you could also have your reviews added, and you could create receipts for your customers once you're done. But like I said, everything just revolves around how good you are in creating your product, as creating digital products is easy. Anybody can do it. You can also just take off templates with platforms like Canva and Notion. They provide templates that can easily be used and recreated or rebranded into whatever you need. Simply, now heading back to Canva, like I said, all you need to do is just design what you need. And once you're done designing your digital products, you can just simply sell it. This works for as many uh, templates as you can grab a hold of. Now, please note that some templates are free while others are paid for. And the most important thing after creating your product is promotion. So make sure you have an active social media and make sure you pay for advertisements so they can, you know, have a wider range and wider reach. All right, guys. So that's it. Comment down below if you have any questions. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content. Thank you.